everyone. We've been teaching landscape photography workshops for several years now, but last month we decided to venture out and try something a little bit different: guided backpacking trips. For our first trip, we took an amazing group of students 20 miles down to the bottom of the Grand Canyon and back. How are you feeling?
I'm so excited and energized so far.
What are you most worried about?
The cold on the third night.
One of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Can't wait. Great group of people. Gonna have some fun.
I don't know, the whole thing, just doing it. Saying I did it. I'm ready.
Yeah.
I am so excited and anxious to get started and be in nature and have a little bit of silence to myself. I love my family and my boys, but I'm excited for silence.
Feeling good, ready to go.
What are you most excited for?
I've never been here. I'm just excited just to see everything.
Awesome, I'm ready. Let's go.
We began our journey with a nearly 5,000-foot knee-jarring descent of the South Kaibab Trail before spending 2 nights at the bottom of the canyon. It's estimated that only 1% or less of the park's annual visitors actually make it to the bottom of the canyon.
We could talk about every step of this trip, but the truth is that, in the end, it was simply an indescribable experience. So, we'd rather share with you this collection of beautiful views and special moments that we all had together. Enjoy.
This is just unbelievable. Like, wow. I don't even know, there are no words. There are no words.
Just saw a bighorn sheep right over here, purple cactus, and then you see all this.
Purple cactus. So I didn't believe Mandy that the view could get any better. but yeah. Grand Canyon.
Throw over the edge.
Hey. Final steps. Made it to the top.
What?
What time is it?
Oh, I thought you were 11:35.
11:35. Made it.
I can't believe I did it. I'm pretty tired, but I feel good.
You made it.
Oh, it's fun.
I
How
need
do you
one.
feel?
Like hammered poo.
Hey! Mwah! I feel awesome. Everything's all toughen up, and strong. Let's do it again!
There really is no better way to experience one of the 7 natural wonders of the world than to hike to the bottom and spend a few nights down there.
Beyond all of these breathtaking views, witnessing our students see this place for the first time, make lifelong friends, and do something they never thought they would do, that's what we really took out of the canyon.
We did it! Yay!
We have several Grand Canyon dates for 2020 currently available at mandyleephoto.com and more destinations to come.
So, hope to see some of you on the trail next year. Love and light!
So, here's to sharing the beauty of the Grand Canyon with others.